Hello guys, I'm Hassan Chikur and I'm from CAD-GizMo. Friends, in this lesson, we discuss the types of coordinates in AutoCAD 2021. This is the very important point of AutoCAD. So let's start the video. So guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, there are two types of coordinate systems in AutoCAD. First one is the user coordinate system and the second one is the world coordinate system, which will be discussed in detail in the later videos. Now we discuss the basic types of coordinates, and these are absolute coordinate system, the relative coordinate system and the polar coordinate system. So guys, our first coordinate is absolute coordinate system, and absolute means start from 0 0 or from origin. It also called Cartesian coordinate system. What is the origin? A point where the scale intersect is called the origin. Friends, most of your time working with AutoCAD will be spent drawing in the XY plane. In absolute or Cartesian coordinate system, every point has an absolute x and y coordinate, and you know where each point is located related to the origin 0, 0 point. The 3 points you should remember in the absolute coordinate system. The first one is we use hash option to draw our coordinates, and the second one is absolute coordinate system always start from origin 0, 0. And the third point, every line or coordinate depend on origin 0, 0. Now with the example we understand the absolute or Cartesian coordinate system. To start this, type L and press enter. Now as we discuss, we use hash option to draw our absolute or Cartesian coordinate. For that, press shift and press hash. Now give the value 0, 0. Now our coordinate line start. Now we give the value with the hash 15, 0. Now this line is 15 points in x-axis and 0 point in x-axis. Now we give the third point, and it is with the shift hash, and it is 15, 20. Now our line is 15 in the x direction and the 20 points in the y direction. Now we give the fourth point with the hash, and this is 0, 20. Now this point is 0 in the x-axis and 20 points in y-axis. Now again we give the hash and 0, 0 and press enter. So in this way we use our Cartesian coordinate system. So guys, relative coordinate system is the second part, and in the relative coordinate system it's locate the points relative to the last point picked. In this, the origin 0, 0 is not fixed, it moves with the next point, and in this we tell AutoCAD how far left or right and up and down our point is located. If direction is left, the x direction will be negative, and also in down direction value is negative. And the most important point we use at the rate to show our relative coordinate system. Now we do an example, and before we start the example, remember this: we use at the rate to show the relative coordinate system and show the direction, either is it in right side or the left side or the upside or the downside. Our right side and the upside is positive, the left side and the downside is the negative, like this. The x value, the right and the upside y is positive, and left x is negative and the down y is negative. Now we do the example related to relative coordinate system, and for that type L, enter 0, 0, press enter. One thing you can remember, our first point in every coordinate system should be absolute and start from 0, 0. Now we give the value with the at the rate 15, 0, and now we give the value 0 in x axis and 20 in y axis. Now this 0, 20 value is located with respect to this origin. This value is 0 in x axis and 20 in y axis from this point. Now again at the rate, give the value minus 20 because it's in left side, so we give the negative value, and comma 0 in y axis. Shift at the rate minus 15, 0 in y axis. Now the origin of this point is this, and now we move further and press shift. Now we are moving downside in y axis, so now our x is 0, comma, and y is 20, negative. So that's how we use the negative points, the right, left, up and down direction. So this is our relative coordinate system. In the polar coordinate system, we use at the rate with the angle value. We type at the rate, give the distance and the angle. Now we see the example of polar coordinate system, and for that type L, enter, and give the origin point anywhere else in the drawing. So I give this point as a origin. Now as we discuss, we show the polar coordinate system as at the rate, give the distance, angle sign, and give the angle value. Now I press the at the rate, give the distance 30, and give the angle sign, shift, angle sign, and angle 45 degree, and press enter. So now this make on 30 length and 45 angle. We also check this angle from here. So this is 45, and in this way we can use the polar coordinate system. So guys, this is the video of coordinate systems in AutoCAD. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment in below, and see you soon in the next video.